What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking out the boat down to Darwin Harbour and we're going to try catch some snapper and reef fish. So we'll update you as the day goes on. We just arrived at the boat ramp and we're going to launch the boat and hope to catch some fish.
I just hooked onto a fish, just seeing what this fish is going to be. I hope... Oh.
You feel big?
It feels a little bit big, not too big though.
You look like you're struggling.
What fish is this?
Oh.
That's another cool fish. This fish is called an okok because it makes a sound. It's like oking. See that sound? That's why the name came called okok. That fish. This one fish, catch and release. Yep. Got me in your pocket. Ready? Second fish of the day, and it's pretty big. This one.
I don't think it's that big. You were struggling on the other fish.
That little fish, that okok I just caught. There's nothing compared to this fish.
You sure about that?
It's a good fish.
Oh, a batfish.
Batfish. This fish here
It's no good.
is no good. It's good batfish.
What is it?
A batfish.
Oh, no wonder. That would have been a good fighter.
Look at that. This is called a batfish. And that is a thing. I think it's his guts or something. Now here, I'll release him. He put up a pretty good fight. Today we're using Cornell's bait and my brother's going to show you how to hook it on. So you grab your bait and your hook. You just put the hook and just put in there like that. Just that. It's that simple. It's just simple as.
Can be a snapper. I think it's a moonfish. Hey!
Well, it was doing.
What are you doing? Oh, Marty.
Oh, he's got one little joey. Can release him. Oh, brother just threw his line in and we caught a little monkey fish.
Monkey face.
A monkey face fish or something. Just took off the hook. Gonna release him. But release him. Got a tricky snapper, and we're gonna probably keep this one in the esky and eat him for dinner. Got one fish. Strappy. Just hooked onto one fish. Oh, a little rockcod.
That's the one that took it in there.
You did it alright.
So a little rockcod.
Back it off.
Rockcod now. The other side, other side. Sam, use your line. On to one more fish. Pretty sure it might be a shark.
Oh, it's a shark. It's running.
Oh, got a little shark again.
I can do feel like a shark in the beginning.
Little black tip shark.
What's there to do?
We just called baby trevally. Catch and release. And then it's gone.